everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we're going to show you how to make a Swedish meatball. Yes, Swedish meatball can be like super yummy if you know how to make it, especially the sauce for it. So to begin, we're gonna, whatever white bread you have, you're gonna tear it apart to very small pieces. Gonna add some milk, and you let it soak for a few minutes. Now for the onion, we're going to grate the onion. Whew, I'm almost start crying. Here we go. So we have enough amount here. And now make sure your stove on the medium high. We're gonna cook it a little bit oil. That way when we add it to the meatball, you will have a flavor. It won't be like just a raw onion. Now I'm gonna add the ground beef. And I'm adding here the egg yolk. Salt and pepper. And allspice. And the onion we just cooked. Perfect. Now if you have a dough mixer at home, you can put it in a dough mixer and you mix it. If not, it's time to have a little exercise for your hand. Now we have to mix it very well. Voila, almost ready. So roll about 2 ounces, just like this. Put it on a plate. Voila, another one. That's how it's gonna look like. Now we're gonna turn the stove on the medium high. A little bit oil. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit butter for a flavor. Nice. Now it's time for the meatball to go all in. Every 2-3 minutes, just flip them. Gonna make sure all cooked through and cover it up. Now in the meantime the meatballs cooking, I'm gonna prepare the sauce for it, which is I'm starting with the onion. And the onion I'm gonna slice it small wedges, and the mushroom I just gonna cut it quarters. Voila, let's see here. Wow, nice meatballs ready to go. Now let's transfer it on the plate, and we're gonna make the sauce in the same frying pan. And we're gonna put onion and mushroom, pepper, salt, we're gonna give it a little caramelized color first, and then I'm gonna add a flour, to thicken the sauce. Give it a little mix. And now I'm gonna add the beef broth. And adding a couple of ounces of red wine won't hurt. It will taste much better. You can see start thickening up a little bit now. bring it to medium low, and I'm gonna add a heavy cream. Now we're gonna put the meatball back in here. Let's cover it up a little bit with the sauce, and now we're gonna let it simmer for 10-15 minutes, and your Swedish meatball good to go. Lovely, look at that beauty. Yum, look at that. Wow, it melts in your mouth, and the mushroom and the onion sauce we made for it, it's amazing, unbelievable taste. So it's a Swedish meatball, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.